So let's talk about Darwin's theory of evolution, जिसने ये basically propose किया था कि evolution basically organisms की that have evolved into their present shape होती कैसे है. ठीक है. So there are four basic mechanisms. First is the mechanism of common descent. So जितने भी organisms that are related through descent from some unknown ancestors that lived in the distant past, ठीक है ना. So there is going to be a common ancestor for all of these related organisms. As the descendants spilled into various habitats over time, they accumulated diverse modifications that fit their specific ways of life. मतलब उनकी evolution was governed by their habitats. फिर आपके पास आ जाता है ग्रेजुअलिज्म. द ओरिजिन ऑफ न्यू स्पीसीज एंड अडेप्टेशन आर क्लोजली रिलेटेड प्रोसेसेस. A new species would arise from an ancestral form by the gradual accumulation of adaptations to different environment. ठीक है. तो बेसिकली अगर एक स्पीसी है, एक नई स्पीसी है, वो इवॉल्व इस रीज़न की वजह से हो रही है बिकॉज ओवर टाइम उसमें नई मॉडिफिकेशंस या अडेप्टेशंस आ रही हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स इन्वायरमेंट. Then there's the multiplication of species, which is basically that the adapted species give rise to existence of an enormous number of species. And some species are very similar. So once a species adapts to a certain area, it will eventually cause the evolution of other species. And that's why some species are extremely similar as well. ठीक है. Then you have natural selection. When a large number of distinct species are produced, natural selection takes the charge at this point. तो जब आपके पास स्पीसीज में बहुत सारी वेरिएशंस आ रही हैं और बहुत तादाद होगी है स्पीसीज की, तो देन नेचुरल सिलेक्शन कम्स इनटू प्ले and plays a role in evolution. So, let's go over the Darwin Wallace theory as well. So, they put forward their concept of evolution through natural selection. तो इनके concept में natural selection played a major role. ठीक है. Their observations and deductions from them can be summarized briefly as number one, organisms produce a large number of offspring जो कि जिनकी तादाद ज़्यादा होती है देन आर नीडेड टू रिप्लेस देयर पेरेंट्स. सो ऑफस्प्रिंग्स आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी इन एक्सेस. Natural populations tend to remain constant in size over a large period of time. और इससे डिडक्शंस ये हैं कि देयर इज़ अ कॉम्पिटिशन फॉर सर्वाइवल अमंग द इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ अ स्पीसीज और अमंग द इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट पॉपुलेशंस या डिफरेंट स्पीसीज. There is a variation among the individuals of a species. For example, coat color in rabbit, phenotypic variations होती हैं. And the best adapted variation will be selected to survive by natural conditions operating at the time. Or we can simply say that the